Hello everyone. Welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today I'm going to show you how to update the software system on your iPhone. For this, we obviously need an iPhone and of course an internet connection. So let us go directly to the video tutorial, okay? For all people who don't know this, when you buy an iPhone, there are updates for applications, and one of them it is for the iOS update. To do this update, we need to look for an icon that it looks like this one you see here. It looks like a small gear icon. We press it, tap on it, and this takes us directly to the iPhone settings. Here we need to go and tap on General. As you can see here, it says General. In General, it says manage your settings and a special preference for the iPhone. In this section, we have information, software update, and iPhone storage, but what we are looking for is software update. In software update, the new update available for iPhone will appear. In my case, I have an iPhone 16e, which is basically one of the newest iPhone available. Here we can tap update now, and it will probably take about 1 GB of storage space. Here we can see a short description of what the update includes. It is mainly bug fixes and important security updates. It is very important and you should always update when it is possible. Security is very important, and updates can also bring new features and fix problems the iPhone had before, okay? Always remember to keep your iPhone well charged and do not interrupt the update process, okay? Now you will learn how to use it. This application is especially useful if you travel to another country. It will help you understand everything much better. First, we go to Utilities folder, and you can also search for it directly. Here we can type translate and the application appears. Another way to find it is by swiping down and using the search bar. We type translate and the application appears again. There are many ways to find it. It does not need to be in the same folder where I have it. Now that you know how to find it, let us open the application. Here we have the translator. This works in real time and it is very cool. Not only can we translate while someone is speaking to us, but we can also translate using the camera. We can point the camera at a paper or any text and it translates it. We can also have direct conversation with another person. This conversation mode is much more natural. Someone can speak in English and the phone translated to Spanish, for example, in a real time. We can also save favorite translations. For example, if someone says I can speak English fluently, the phone translated as I can speak English fluently. But if we want more direct conversation, we can use conversation mode. For example, I say, hello, I am recording YouTube the video right now. As you can see, the phone listens and translates it in real time. It is very cool and works very well. We can change the language easily. For example, if I speak English, it translated to Spanish. We can also try Japanese. For example, watashi wa namae wa Kaneki-san desu. It translated, my name is Mr. Kaneki. This is very cool because it is not like a normal translator that needs time to load. This one works instantly. We can also use languages like Spanish from Spain, Korean, Arabic, or German. In conversations, if we hold a translation, we can copy it, show it in full screen, add it to favorites, or delete it. Here you can see some recent translations into favorites. In camera mode, we can select the language we want to translate from. For example, we can translate from Spanish to American English. As you can see, the text translated directly on the screen. The letter might look small, but the translation is there. This tool is very useful and looks very nice. We can also translate directly from a photo. We can even turn on the flashlight to help the camera read better. This application is very useful and very well designed. This video is especially for people who moved from Android to iPhone and wants a clear video tutorial. This is all for now. Take care and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.